Sound is a wave and can demonstrate interference. We will use a signal generator to produce high-frequency signals into two identical loudspeakers, so that they give out the same frequency sound waves in phase. This experiment should be carried out in an open area to avoid the effects of reflected sounds. The loudspeakers are 0.5 meters apart, which is comparable to the wavelength of the wave. When we walk across in front of the loudspeaker, alternate loud sounds and soft sounds are heard. We can check with the sound level meter. When loud sounds are heard, the reading of the sound level meter also increases. Loud sounds and soft sounds are indeed the results of constructive interference and destructive interference of sound waves. We invite some students to stand at the positions where no sounds are heard. These positions form a few straight lines. These lines are actually the nodal lines. We decrease the output frequency of the signal generator to 1000 Hz. A decrease in the frequency will increase the wavelength. How do the number and separation of the nodal lines change?